Hi sir, hello. I have a doubt sir. I can't even guess how many questions are there in NTSE sir. Can you say sir?
Yes, sir. 100 questions are there, both the papers, math and SAT. 100 question papers, 100 questions will be there, 100 marks. Each question carries 1 mark. Okay. There is no negative mark in that examination. So, I said 2 hours. So, 120 minutes. Okay. 100 questions within 120 minutes. So, you can take maximum 1 minute or 10 seconds like that. You can use it 1 minute maximum for each question. Like that, you should have a model test and all. You have to practice well. Okay. And the content from 9th and 10th standard syllabus only for your SAT exam, science, maths, social. Okay. Whereas math exams, general things. Okay. Your ability, reasoning, okay, the patterns like that will be there. Understand, your students?
Good afternoon, sir. First of all, thank you for giving me this nice opportunity. I have a question related to the examination existing in my mind. What will be the NTSE syllabus 2022? Sir, I would be great if I could get some information about the syllabus. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, syllabus. So when you go with the syllabus, actually for math, there are a lot of things you have to be prepared well because in your day-to-day life, in your observations, how you are solving the problems, how you are thinking. Okay, we can say that logical thinking, reasoning. Okay, quantitative related type of questions. Suppose you go for banking exam, screening test and all these type of questions you may come across. Okay, that is not in your syllabus normally. Okay, so math is related to your mental ability test. Okay, so this is the coding, encoding, hidden figures. Okay, something related to your observation, analyzation, your ability can be observed through this. There is no proper syllabus for that, but there is topics. Patterns are there, questions are there. We can guide you regarding math, which will be very simple only, easy only. The day-to-day life, what you are seeing that they are directions, clock related questions, everything. SAT is very specialized syllabus for your curricula. What you have in your standard, 9th standard and 10th standard, that syllabus only. From that syllabus, but that question will be somewhat varies. Okay, mainly science, maths, and social. Okay, these are the syllabus. What you have in 9th and 10th standard. This is for paper 2, SAT.
Hello, sir. I would like to know more about the mental ability test. Could you tell us the MAT syllabus?
Yes, math, I already said math is the mental ability test. Okay. So there will be some verbal and non-verbal series. Okay. Verbal means alphabet, A, B, C, D, and all will be there in some orders. We have to find what is the next letters. Non-verbal series will be there. That is numerical things. Okay. Such a things that you have to observe the patterns. So what way they describe everything. You have to observe by yourself using your knowledge, using your analyze, using your reasoning and logical thinking. You have to give answer for verbal, non-verbal series, and there will be something to classify and sort of probability related cube, dice related problems. Okay, and the coding, decoding will be there. Okay, so based on the coding, we have to decode. Based on the decoding, we have to code like that. Okay, and some alphabet with a number test will be there. Okay, and word problem, distance, directions, variations, that things will be there. Okay, and which will be maths related questions. Okay, and some paper cutting, folding. Okay, the ranking arrangements will be there, and Venn diagram type questions will be there. Mathematical operations, Venn diagram, intersection, union. Okay, this may not be in your syllabus actually, but you have to understand that. And some calendar days, day related problems, time, clock, directions. Okay, these are math related questions. Even small children can answer. Such a simple questions also may appear in your math related question. If you go through that math related question, you will enjoy that, the type of questions. Okay.
Hello, sir. What is the syllabus for SAT?
Yeah, SAT is nothing but your 9th and 10th standard school syllabus normally. Okay, so in the SAT, actually mainly science, social, mathematics going to be appears. Okay, 100 marks. Actually, mathematics 20 mark, and science 30 mark. Social studies 40 mark. Like that will be there, and especially science that will divide into three categories. Maybe 13 mark for physics, 13 mark for chemistry, 16 marks for biology. Like that. So this everything from your 9th and 10th standard syllabus. So will you please thorough with your syllabus so that you can score 100 out of 100 in your SAT exam. Understand?
Good evening, sir. As I am new to this NTSE exam, I have a doubt in it. Can you please clarify me about this doubt? The question is, what is the syllabus for NTSE, SAT, Science and Physics?
Hi students, and what is the syllabus that one of the students asked me for NTSE physics subject, and that I'm going to tell about that 7 topics are there. The first topic is that electricity. Already in 10th standard students, you know very well about that what is the electricity, resistance, resistivity, and then the heating effect of the electricity also. This electricity only can not only the heating effect, then he give that magnetic effect of the electricity also. Then this lessons, the next topic is the magnetism. So that also it is very easy in that 7th standard level you have studied. Next one is the motion and forces, that what are the physical quantities only we are only describing by moving that object, and then get the derivation of the equations for these lessons. This is only the 9th standard level, then 10th standard level you learn that one. Then the next one is that force, that is also that Newton's 3 laws, about that. This is also very easiest topics also. Next, that measurements, how do we measure that solid, liquid and gases, how do we measure? This is also very easiest topics in 6th standard level you have studied. The next one is that work and the energy, that what is the work, what is the energy, what are the types of the energies, and then how that these two are interrelated and give the power also. Next one is the universe, that what is the sun radiation and how that reach that space, and then what is the galaxy, what is the twinkling of the stars, everything we are only going to see this in this topic. This is also very interesting and then very easiest topics. And then light and sound, the light lessons, that is that what is the plane mirror, the spherical mirrors, and then lens, how the image only formed by the mirror and the image also. Then the sound only, some of the sound is very noisy, some sound is are very pleasant. So how that sound only transfer from one medium to another medium. This also very easiest topics we are going to see in this exams. And next last topic is the sources of energy. This sources of energy is nothing but we just take the energy from the source, and then how do we convert into the another form of the energy. This is also very interesting and then very easiest topic of this lesson. So we are going to see all these topics and get the good mark. All the best, all of you.
Hello sir, my question is what is the chemistry syllabus?
Dear children, let us see the syllabus of chemistry for NTS examination. The topics are acid, base and salt, metals and non-metals. The basis of these 2 topics you have been learning from your lower classes. Next, periodic classification of elements. Here, you will be knowing about the classification of elements. Next, structure of atom, the subatomic particles present in it, and carbon and its compound. We will learn about the versatile nature of carbon. Next 2 topics, physical and chemical changes, fiber and plastics. These 2 topics are very easy and related to our day-to-day life. So, preparing for the NTSE exam will not be a difficult task for you all. You can do well. All the best. Thank you.
Hi sir, I have doubt regarding this question. What is the syllabus for biology?
Hello children. So what is biology syllabus you have asked? So your first chapter comprises air, soil and water. In this lesson, you will learn about, already you learn about earth, soil and water. In that you studied weather report and different type of soil and water. And next topic, microorganism. So we already know that is a friend or foe. Here we are going, we have already learned about that is all the microorganism, where it will present. So you know that this is a omnipresent organism, and you have learned about bacteria, viruses. So this one already you have studied from lower classes onwards. And next one is a plant and animal nutrition. So this topic covers different type of nutrition, autotrophic, heterotrophic type of nutrition. So you learn in from 6th to 7th standard onwards. Next one, life process, a different type of life processes. There is a nutrition process and digestion, and excretion. So all these metabolic activity of the life, it's everything this life process covers. And human body, so human body system. So what are the human body system? Like a nervous system, excretory system. So this systems covers in the human body systems. And reproduction, hereditary and evolution, reproductive method, there's a asexual method and sexual method. This also you have learned from 6th and 7th standard onwards. And hereditary, so that is a genetic based questions. And then evolution, how the organism are evolved from lower organism. And next one is the food production and management. It is I learned in 8th standard. There is a crop production and management, a different type of soil, and what are the seeds we have to select, how the seeds and kharif crop, rabi crops. It all covers in the food production and management. And next, diversity in living organisms, unicellular level, multicellular level, and different level of organism. What are the differences in the living organism? Whether it is a microorganism or human, it is plants or animals, everything comes under the diversity in living organism. And cellular level of organization, in the cellular level of organization, it will cover both, that is a unicellular and multicellular organism. And this organism what is a cellular level, like cell structure and cytoplasm, what are the present of cell organelles, everything will cover in the cellular level of organization. And next, diseases, common diseases. In the common diseases, what are the common diseases, symptoms, and how we can cure all these diseases. What are the same, everything it will cover in common diseases. Next, our environment is that is an interrelationship between the living organism and the non-living organism. So what are the type of pollutions, everything's in our environment we will read. And next one, so this is a easy chapter, so everything, so NTSE related questions, everything is based on very easy questions only, and you have to go through basic level. That is from the 6th to, it's everything based on the NCERT syllabus. So you have to cover from 6th to 10th standard NCERT work. Hope children you do well. Thank you very much.
Hello sir, I am Surya from class 9. I have a question for you. Can you tell me what is the mathematics syllabus?
Hi students, the topic for mathematics syllabus for NTSE exam is based on 9th, you'll be learning about parallelogram, polynomials, number system, real numbers, mensuration, surface area and volume. All these topics are covered in class 9. And from class 6, 7, 8, it will be percentage, mensuration, rational numbers, quadrilateral, Euclid's geometry. All these comes from class 6 to 8. From class 10, it will be AP, quadratic equations, triangles, trigonometry. These topics will be covered from class 10 for your NTC mathematics syllabus.
Dear sir, we have heard about NTSE examination, but still we have some doubts regarding that, and I request you to answer my question. My question for you is, what is the NTSE Scholastic Ability Test Syllabus, Social Science Syllabus? Hope you will answer my question. Thank you, sir.
Hello children. So we're all going to prepare for NTSE exams. So with respect to social science is concerned, it is a 40 marks paper for stage 1. So in that social science, you have civics, geography, and history. So now if you come to civics, The civics portions are just Indian Constitution, which you're all aware of. Indian Constitution you have been studying since 6th standard, 7th standard. What are the rights, what are the duties of the citizen, of the government, procedures, principles. So that will be the portion for Indian Constitution. And with regards to the local and state government, if you see, the local government, you're all aware of, you have been studying from 7th standard and 8th standard about the structure of the local government, the urban local, the rural local government, and also the state government also you have been reading all along. So it won't be a very difficult topic. And if you come to the next third one is Indian government. Indian government is about the structure of Indian government, different organs of Indian government, and what are the duties, what are the rights, responsibilities of the government, how it is being elected, how the parliament plays a very important role. All those topics will be covered in Indian government. And finally, if you come to judiciary, is one of the organs of the government. So you're all aware of legislature, executive, and judiciary. So judiciary is completely court procedure, Supreme Court, High Court, different types of court. It's a place where the people will get the justice. It solves the disputes. So those topics will be covered under the judiciary. So all these 4 topics from civics is all NCERT based chapters only. So that will be more than enough for your reference. And even you can download all the previous sample papers to have a better understanding, to find out the different types of questions, which is available for a better practice. I hope you will all rock well, children. All the very best. Thank you.
Hello sir, I am very interested to write this NTSE exam. I am also very eager to join this NTSE course. May I know what is the geography syllabus for the NTSE exam?
Hello children, these are the topics in geography for our NTSE exam. The first topic is biosphere. It is it is related to the natural ecosystem. The next one is the water resources, which it is covered as water resources like river, lakes and ponds. The next one is atmosphere. It covered the different layers of the atmosphere. And the next one is the solar system. This one you already studied from your lower classes, the sun and the planets. And the next one is the agriculture. So in this, we are going to see about the different kinds of the agriculture, and then the diversity and the livelihood. So this one, it covered the settlement of the people. And the next topic is the resource and the development. In this, we are going to see about the different kinds of the resources like natural resources, human-made resources, and human resources. And the next one is the internal structure of the earth and rocks. In this, we are going to see about that the different layers of the earth like crust, mantle, and core, and then different kinds of the rocks like metamorphic rocks and sediment rocks. And the next topic is the maps and globes. In this, we are going to see the different kinds of the maps like a thematic map, physical map, and political map. And the next topic is the natural vegetation. So how the different kinds of the forest we have in our country. And then our country, India. So in that, we are going to see about the states and the capitals and the symbol. So everything we are going to see in this topic. And the next topic is the motion of the earth. So the 2 different motions of the earth like rotation and revolution, and India's and its neighbors. So the neighboring country of India. So that we are going to see under this topic. The next one is the climate. So in the climate, different climatic conditions and what are the different seasons in India, that we are going to see under this topic. And then Indian physiographic division. So in this, we have a different physiographic divisions like mountains, deserts, islands, and plateaus. So we are going to see about that. And then the drainage in India, that is a drainage is a river system in India. We have a different large and small rivers. So we are going to see about that. And then the major domains and landforms. So we are going to see about
atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere. And then the next to last topic is the population. So in that we are going to see about the population of the country, population of the each state, and then literacy rate, infant mortality rate, etc. Thank you, children. All the best for your NTSE exam. Thank you.